Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to send Soundmoji. Before watching the video, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe on the channel. So to send Soundmoji, first of all you should go and open Facebook Messenger application and then open the conversation in which you want to send the Soundmoji. After that, you click in the space when you type the text, and after that, click on the emoji icon. Click on any emoji, and after that, click on the speaker icon that you can see in the space when you write the text, where you write the text. Click on it, and then you can see the full list of Soundmojis. You can choose any Soundmoji you want to send. For example, I will give you some examples. For example, I will choose this one. As you can see, it will send this sound with the emoji, or this one, or this one. There is so many examples, and you can send the one that you like. When you choose the Soundmoji that you want to send, just click on send button. And when the receiver receive and when your friends receive the Soundmoji, you just need to click on it, and he can listen to the sound sent with the emoji and listen to the Soundmoji. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe on our channel, and see you in the next video.